Okay, fine. I have interviewed many students, and when I usually ask them questions, why have you taken this subject? They maximum of the cases they replied, I didn't excel in my admission test. That's why I have been forced to choose this subject. I didn't intentionally
I'm very
take this subject.
passionate for
But
this
you are
subject.
passionate
Yes,
about
yes.
this subject, and you want
And
to.
especially additional, I was took just from a Dhaka University admission. In admission time, I took from only Dhaka University, not university, all other city. Okay.
Okay, fine. For the clearance of our audience, I would like to clarify it. He just sit for only Dhaka University admission test, no other university admission test. He decided if I get chance at this university, I'll be continuing my study in general level.
General level.
If not, then I will not pursue my education from any other public university. I'll be moving on my madrasa background
Studies.
studies. Okay, fine.